Hello, welcome to my salsa home. Today with Elisabel. And today we're going to show you a Cuban move, the Coca-Cola, right? It's a Coca-Cola.
Sí.
Yes. Let's show first, and then we go into explanation. So we start with the dilicano. A dilicano we do 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Guapea. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And chufla. 1, 2, 3. Dile que no. 1, 2, 3. And Coca-Cola. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, and 7. So we do a dilicano, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Guapea. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I lead her now into enchufla with the motion. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And from here, 1, 2, 3. And I put my hand now on her right shoulder and lead her into inside turn and into the Coca-Cola move. 6 and 7. Okay? One more time, really slowly from this direction. So we do 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, cuapea, 5, 6, 7. And chufla. 5, 6, 7, dilicano. 1, 2, 3.
Una vueltecita.
5, 6, 7.
Y
1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. With music.
Vaya folclórico, oye, disculpa la tardanza y los dolores de cabeza, ¿sabes? Agradezco tu paciencia y esta gran oportunidad. Dile, ya tú ves.